Actress Urvashi Rautela has set the internet on fire with her hot bikini pictures near the beachside location. She shared her smoking hot pictures in a sexy blue bikini as she strikes a seductive pose. She completed her look with subtle makeup, cold up eyes, a dash of lipstick and a pair of sunglasses. With wet hair and a pink flower placed behind the ear, she flaunts her perfect curves. Urvashi Rautela knows how to set the internet on fire with her super bold pictures on the internet. The former beauty queen sizzled in a red bikini look in her latest pictures on social media and set the internet into a frenzy. She was also judging the Miss Universe pageant in Israel where India won the crown. The actor made heads turn in her latest look in red bikini. She made jaws dropped as she appeared in a striking red bikini top with a matching red skirt. She teamed up her red bralette top with center slit skirt. Urvashi Rautela added some quirk to her red look by teaming it up with a hat and a pair of funky flip-flops. The actress could be seen posing at a beach in Dubai in the pictures that are now going viral on social media. The actor can be seen rocking a perfect waistline and an hourglass figure. She looked absolutely stylish as she posed at a beach with the stunning Dubai coastline in the background of her clip on Instagram. It was breathtakingly awesome view. Urvashi Rautela is oozing umph in the sensuous look in a bikini. In the shared video clip, she is wearing a hot pink tube bikini top covered with beautiful flowers on the upper side and a beautiful yet bold pink shrong. She is showing off her long silky hair wearing a jute round head cap. The beautiful sea and skyscrapers look stunning in the background of the video clip. The actress striking her midriff and strong legs. The actress has opted for light and natural makeup with this outfit. As far as the accessories are concerned, she is wearing small white earrings and two simple neck pieces. Along with this, she is wearing a simple bracelet in one hand with her wavy hair open. She made her makeup look special with nude pink lipstick, eyeshadow, eyeliner and mascara coat. Her open wavy hair is looking great with the sizzling look of the actress. This look of Urvashi is as glamorous as it is hot. Urvashi Rautela creating a sensation on the internet by posing by a beach in Dubai wearing a lime-colored swimsuit and a white sarong. She made jaws dropped as she appeared in a lime-colored swimsuit with a white sarong. The actress accessorized her look with a coin collar necklace and tropical palms necklace from the brand Aurelia London along with Astrud sunglasses to protect her eyes from the harmful UV rays. Urvashi kept her open in wavy long tone curls which made the actress look stunning as always. The actress flaunted her hourglass body which made all the fans go insane over this beauty. The entire look of the actress cost a whopping amount of worth Rs 55,000 which this international diva Urvashi carried with utmost boldness along with elegance. The actress wore the designer, Albina Diller, an unmistakably black dress. The figure-hugging gown of Urvashi had a top corset cinching in at the waist and romancing with actress curves. The bottom half of her dress was long, flowing with a beautiful train with a pair of silver peep-toe boots. Urvashi completed her outfit and accessorized the look with a few chunky rings and bracelets. She even wore earrings for the statement to complete her look. Urvashi's dress glam featured heavily kohl-clad eyes and a blush pink lip that she teamed up with a stylish, high bun framed by a braid. Urvashi looks spectacular and vibrant in this gorgeous light blue hot mini dress with plunging neckline. She is bold and bindas in this cute and adorable picture as she looks drop-dead gorgeous while she drops her killer smile. The actress looks alluring and sensational in this sizzling picture as she brings the much-needed glam quotient. She looks enchanting and graceful in this picture as she dons her hot light blue mini dress. Urvashi Rautela was recently honored with International Icon of the Year in Filmfare Awards. Urvashi Rautela is filled with gratitude and feels more motivated than ever. The actress posted a video after receiving the award. In the video, Urvashi is seen wearing a blue heavy embellished designer silver high slit cut dress designed by ace designer Michael Cinco with a long high pony. The actress is truly looking gorgeous as she delivers a speech in the award show with such a huge honor. Urvashi flaunted a blue and silver crystal studded bodycon dress. The backless ensemble had a plunging neckline. The puffy sleeves added playfulness to the outfit. For makeup, Urvashi opted for a blue shimmery eyeshadow, mascara-laden eyelashes, and pink lips. She tied her hair in a ponytail. Urvashi Rautela wears expensive outfits. The actress recently carried a silver bodycon embellished dress. Pictures of Urvashi Rautela have gone viral on social media, wearing a dress worth 60 lakh rupees. The actress wore another white outfit from her French Riviera outing. Urvashi opted for a flowy white dress. Urvashi's halter neck long silk off-white dress made her look absolutely gorgeous. This halter neck long silk off-white dress made Urvashi look gorgeous. The ensemble fitted the toned figure of the actress perfectly. The actress looked very alluring to our eyes. Talking about her makeup, Urvashi kept it very subtle with bold eyes and long lashes along with pink nude lip shade. Keeping her hair tied up in a tight bun to enhance the ensemble, more went off with the look. For the accessories, Urvashi wore a neckpiece which went off well with her entire look along with silver stilettos that rounded off her look. Her look was styled by the frontal. Ahead of her red carpet appearance, Urvashi wearing a black gown made of silk and lycra. The gown has a plunging neckline, slimline straps and a thigh-high slit. It also features golden Medusa safety pins strategically placed along the slits. Urvashi Rautela is looking very glamorous in these videos. Talking about the dressing of Urvashi Rautela, she is flaunting her beauty in a block thigh-high silk gown with studded work. People are sighing seeing their different looks. The actress completed the look with a bracelet and rings in her hand. Glossy and nude makeup adds to the beauty of Urvashi. She is seen in a very glamorous look in this video. Recently her pictures have also gone viral. Urvashi Rautela is one such beauty, who continues to grab attention for her stunning looks and fashion sense. This actress' style is loved by millions. With her stunning style, Urvashi Rautela is a hit with people all over the world. Urvashi Rautela keeps in touch with her followers via social media. The latest Urvashi Rautela photos have been released. It went viral immediately after it was published on social media. Urvashi Rautela have surfaced in which she is looking amazing in black outfit. In the latest video, Urvashi is wearing a black colored off-shoulder gown with lots of frills on it. To make this look more elegant, Urvashi is wearing a necklace lightly around the neck and is wearing green colored earrings. At the same time, the actress has done nude makeup. Actor Urvashi Rautela was honored with an award in Dubai and she attended the ceremony looking absolutely lovely in a green sparkly nude gown. The actor took to social media to share the pictures of her outing in that heavily sequined gown. Urvashi tied her hair in an extremely high ponytail. She wore a gown that came with a nude side panel and a corset detailing on the bust. Urvashi Rautela styled it with diamonds and a lot of dramatic makeup. Urvashi Rautela makes a stunning appearance at an awards night in UAE. She also uses a lot of bronzer and gloss on lips to make her look stand out totally. She looks like a sunflower in that yellow sari. Urvashi accessorized her Indian look with matching yellow bangles, long drop-down beaded earrings, and light makeup. She kept her tresses open that waved in the pleasing breeze. Urvashi Rautela loves to flaunt her fabulous frame in Indian traditional outfits. For her latest set of photos on the internet, she wore a sequined white and silver sari with a long braid. Urvashi Rautela has been making the country proud at various international fashion events. She went for a traditional Indian look in her half and half sequin sari. Urvashi teamed up her silver sparkly sari with a matching white strappy blouse. The actor wore a lot of diamond jewelry to go with her look and went big on makeup. Urvashi Rautela loves to dress up and never shies away from going big with her makeup. This time too, the former beauty queen applied a lot of blush and highlighter and went for a super glossy look. Urvashi Rautela flaunted her hourglass figure in that sequin sparkly sari and looked radiant. The actor wore a diamond mang tikka and applied a lot of flowers in her hair for a complete traditional look. Actor Urvashi Rautela recently attended an awards ceremony for which she wore an immensely sparkly sari. The actor turned up looking all sparkly and stunning in a purple sari that came with a matching blouse and a lot of embroidery. It was a half and half sari that had a heavily sequined pallu and a gorgeously embroidered bottom half. Urvashi made every inch of that sari work for her as she attended the event with many dignitaries. Staying true to her style, she teamed up her purple sari with a severely high ponytail and a pair of sparkly earrings. Urvashi Rautela picked on her earrings and carried a statement clutch to go with her traditional look. She wore a green sari with a sleeveless blouse behind it. The dark cloud-like hair and the rosy lips accompanied by a sensuous gap between her lips make her more desirable. She boasts her feminine aura to satiate the hungry eyes. Urvashi was recently spotted at the Mumbai airport where the actress did not forget to impress us with her astonishing look. Urvashi opted for a mini dress in an electric blue color from the limited edition collection of the international brand CILVR, which was their Silk Studios debut collection. Urvashi chose a short shirt dress with full sleeves with white buttons attached to it along with pockets. She paired the dress with a black belt with a silver studded design on it as she rounded her waist. She skipped heels and opted for a comfy Jordan sneaker in yellow and white. Not only that, but she kept her makeup very subtle with nude matte lip shade. She rounded off her entire look with a yellow mini handbag. She posed for the paparazzi with all her smiles. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.